Billions of years ago, an object the size of Mars crashed into Earth and created something amazing. The ultimate vacation destination. The moon. It's closer than you think. Only 240,000 miles. Tired of not having enough time in a day? Not to worry, a moon day is equal to 27 Earth days. Want shorter seasons? We have you covered there as well. A year on the moon is only 27 Earth days. A beautiful rocky landscape, great for hiking. With an axis tilt of about 6.5 degrees, you have a beautiful view of the Earth. Cheap flights all around the moon. With a mass 1.2% of the Earth's, there are no distance limits on the moon. And finally, the moon is solely a vacation destination. No locals to judge you. And the best part, you lose 80% of your weight. The moon, being so much smaller than Earth, causes it to have a gravitational acceleration of 1.62 meters per second squared, compared to Earth's 9.8 meters per second squared. This slower acceleration will cause you to lose 80% of your weight and give you the best bikini body possible. Homesick? No problem. What you can do is stay on the near side of the moon so you can always see the Earth. Another strategy is to find out what phase of the moon Earth is experiencing while you're on the moon. If you are on the near side of the moon and cannot see the sun at all, the Earth is experiencing a new moon. If you can only see part of the sun, the Earth is experiencing a half moon, which is when they can only see half of the lit side of the moon. If you can see the entire sun, the Earth is experiencing a full moon. The moon also causes the tides on Earth. If you are far away from the sun, or very close to the sun, the Earth will be having spring tides, where there is a very big change between high tide and low tide. If you can see only half of the sun, the Earth is experiencing neap tides. During neap tides, the difference between high tide and low tide is very small. These are just a few simple strategies to help prevent homesickness while on the moon. Here are a few activities you can do on the moon. One is to visit the Neil Armstrong Memorial, a memorial to Neil Armstrong, the first man on the moon. A second one, if you're a more adventurous person, you can go crater sledding. It's very thrilling, and you can get up to some nice speeds while going down. A very, very, very thrilling adventure down the crater. And now, an interview with a scientist who has lived on the moon for years and is giving you some advice on what to expect while traveling to the moon and what to pack. So, I understand you've been living on the moon for a while.
Yes, I'm Professor Rogers. I study the moon. I have lived on the moon for several years now and look forward to having visitors here.
Oh, excellent. So, what kind of temperatures would you expect on the moon?
You know, it's really extreme. It's a really cool, negative 280 degrees Fahrenheit at night. And when we're facing the sun, oh, it's a hot, steamy 280 degrees Celsius.
Oh,
Fahrenheit.
Sounds very nice. Sounds very nice.
Yes.
And what kind of clothing do you recommend to bring? Anything specific?
You know, they can just pack lightly. They can bring just a simple oxygen mask, and spacesuit will do.
Okay, well, thank you for your time.
Oh, you're welcome. Cheers.
And now, time for yet another interview with one of the moon's first visitors, a man from San Francisco, California. So, what kind of things did you do when you went to the moon?
Oh, dude, I went crater sledding. It was like rad. It was like, shoo, and I was like, whoa.
Nice. Thanks for watching. Call 1-800-FLY-MOON if interested. Flight restrictions may apply. We are not responsible for any short or chronic problems you develop on the moon during your flight. Thanks again for watching.